Welcome back to the new video of Google Sheets. In this video, we will see how to convert this Google Sheet work into an Excel work. So, in order to convert this work into Excel, this Google Sheets work into Excel, you simply have to go to File option, then to download it in the form of Microsoft Excel. There are other options also, but we will select this Microsoft Excel. This will create another file in the form of Google Microsoft Excel, and we will just open it and we'll see our work. So we have opened this work in Microsoft Excel. Enter we have our work and a file with the same name is converted to Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So that's all from this video. In this video we will see how to convert Microsoft spreadsheet Google Sheet work to Microsoft Excel.